How long would that have taken you with that 3M, do you think?
It was 4 or 5 times longer because it was taking me forever.
Yeah.
You know, the thing is, I was using like a harder pad on a little bit of the flatter areas, and then I was switching to the softer pad to kind of catch the curves. Because I'm trying not to distort any of their surfaces.
Right.
Since it is a race wing, I don't want to carve in and make any funny, funny edges or anything for them.
Now, would that there maybe do both those steps in one shot?
Oh yeah.
Instead of having to switch.
On the flatter areas, it seems to be carving it down really nice.
Yep.
But it floated over the curves really well too.
Right.
You know, it didn't feel like it was carving an edge off it or something.
Exactly. Okay.
So yeah, it was actually doing really nicely.
Yeah, you can slow that down if you want, but that'll slow your.
Oh, that's okay though. That's about perfect right there. That takes it down really nicely.